There's two ways to play this. One is for the high G tuning, one's for the low G tuning. The low G tuning has a very cool movable shape that is extremely handy for playing blues. Now the lick on a low G tuning is essentially the same notes, but it uses a pattern that's very handy. It is outlining the notes in the major chord shape. Because this major chord is movable, you can move this lick to any place on the neck. It is a very, very handy thing to know. Gateway to taking a solo. I'm going to break it down for you note by note. Start by placing your ring finger on the 4th string at the 5th fret. Play that note twice. Index finger hops over to the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Then the middle finger, 4th fret of that string. Hop over to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now 5th fret of the 2nd string. Up to the top note, 3rd fret of the 1st string. Come on down the 2nd string, 5th fret. 3rd fret, and now 1st finger has to hop over, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and you're back home on the root. You can use this to back up so many classic rock and roll tunes and write your own as well. Let's practice it and loop it. 1, 2, nice and easy. Here we go. Yep, we're going slow to cultivate a relaxed control. 2 more times, come on. Take a big breath now. So cool to learn this movable shape. Now check it out, we're gonna move it up to the F chord. That same shape now is gonna slide up to your F position, so the ring finger begins at the F at the 10th fret of the 4th string. When we put it together, it sounds like this. 2, join in with me. Again. Very good. Pause the video, go back and forth between these two positions. And for many of us playing the ukulele, you may not have explored the upper frets. When you are playing up here, keep in mind that you want to keep the touch light, especially your thumb. The more relaxed your thumb feels, the easier it is for the fingers to move with flexibility. Keep them curved and don't try too much. Before we put this together with all 12 bars and a turnaround, let's go over the G7 chord. The magic of the movable shape is that you can just move it up 2 frets so your ring finger is at the 12th fret of your 4th string. Nice and easy. Here we go. Again. Totally natural for your fingers to be a little tender at first. If you're not used to pushing down the strings in this way, they will get stronger and they'll become more flexible the more relaxed you keep your thumb. If you're enjoying this video, having fun and getting some value out of it, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video from Ukulele Zen. Now the turnaround lick, notice how we come off of the G7 chord. Check this out. All right, so I changed it a little bit for the low G tuning, playing the 12th fret and the open string, 10th fret and the open string, 9th fret and the open string, 8th fret and the open string, and then we stop, ring finger slides right down to the 3rd fret, plop that shape right there. It looks like a G7 chord that's been moved up 1 fret. That's exactly what it is. A flat 7, the 3 strings are strummed, and then down to G7. When we put this all together with the G7 chord, it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. Now, you can play this without that open string. You can just play the single notes. Totally cool to do. You can also bounce in between them. There's a lot of different ways to feed a cat. Let's put this all together at a relaxed tempo. You can always speed it up. And remember, this is the kind of blues progression that works great with classic rock and roll tunes like Blue Suede Shoes, Hound Dog, and your own original words. So right now, let's play this entire thing all together. Remember, put your own variations, your own stamps into that, and that's what we're going to do in the second part of this video. All kinds of different ways you can use this as a springboard for your own ad-libbed solo variations. You ready? A 1, 2, 3, let's go! Again with C. Gotta hop up to fret 10. Back down to 5. All the way up to 12. Here's that turnaround. I got the blues. Play it with me. So bad. I'm a shade of fuchsia. All right, some goofy off-the-top lyrics, but you see what I'm doing? You get comfortable with this progression, the C chords, the F chords, the G7 chords. You learn ways of handling them. This is a springboard for your own solo variations. Join me in this video where we're going to explore that in more detail. I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for watching.